Wait, no. Slowly open. Jesus Christ.
Yes, I slowly.
So I say slowly open your damn eye.
Forevermore, because of Christmas Day.
Sunset, we catch sunset. Point to put the camera on the wall. When we sabi go on and on. So the makeup artist now left me. I'm going to look at what was left. Look at Lash and Soul. And I said yesterday they act. No, stop social. Merry and bright. Merry and bright. No, I'm going to go with the Vietnamese chicken. Some Korean. Oh, go ahead. Just when it open.
Are you now ready?
Vietnamese chicken, the Korean style noodles, and the toppings that come with that. And the of course, the blow roll sauce and lemon soda.
So you want the Vietnamese chicken bowl but with noodles, eh? Alright.
Food, I imagine never eat again. You know what I'm saying? Merry and bright.
Very, very, very bright.
Merry and bright, we say. But they want liquor social, and me not see enough people they can come back. I'm one hand, how much people there here, you know what that mean? More food for me. Holidays is for eating, okay? Don't judge. When we're done, we go to the gym.
Come, Liam. Come, we're gonna meet the Grinch. We don't know where him live. We're going to meet the Grinch. You don't like the Grinch? We're going to look for him though. See him over there, so? You scared?
This is me recording my face before my facial to see if there is a difference. So stay tuned for the results. Apparently I have a little dining area around here, so, but this is not where I'm going to have lunch. It's nice, really nice. I enjoy it. I never expect them to do my massage. It was really good. Big place, man. You get your private services. Jamaican Christmas tree, Christmas plant. We're going home. Gonna get something to eat. Jesus, look good. I like it. Them did a good job. Of course, they just kind of pin up my hair out on my face. They did a really good job. Wow, like it. Well, we got our facial done. I don't know, it's probably mind over matter, but it looks like it looks good. And we got Prestige donut. I was going to stop at the Japanese restaurant and get some sushi, but wanted to get off the road because I didn't plan to go on the road, but because I wanted to get the facial done, because which other day? I mean, I just get it done and over with, and I'm not going back on the road for the rest of the year because it's crazy out there, you know. The traffic is crazy, then people will be drinking and driving. That's crazy. Christmas spirit is in the air. Everybody feels sweet, everybody feels nice. They're swerving away from potholes. Beer things are going. So I just wanted to get off the road before the evening traffic came, and that happened. Give God thanks. Every time we get home, we have to give God thanks. Between the taxi drivers, the other crazy drivers, and the potholes, it is mad on the road. So big up on yourself. I'm not a Christmas girl. I love the holiday because it's a time away from work, a time that you can spend with family. The kids come over to spend time, you know, like nieces, nephews, and so on. Maybe mostly nephews. I don't really have any nieces. My nieces are not close by, but yeah, I love the holidays, but I do not celebrate Christmas. You know, I love the free food because my mom cook. I'm about to find out where I can get some food. Some already sort out, but you know, say that for Christmas Day, for Boxing Day now, gotta sort out some more and thing. Somebody say KFC, yuck. I'm no longer a fan of KFC. I don't know, I've been burnt too often. If it's not salty, it's a half raw, and then the lines are too long. I'm not one of those who KFC hook with them guzum. Right now, my new favorite is Island Grill. I don't really eat out, but I lost an aunt recently, and in my grieving, I just went to get food at Island Grill. So I went to get food at Island Grill, and I realized that they have what is called a super satisfaction. It has rice and peas. You get plantain, a piece of corn, vegetables, of course, half a chicken, and something as festival. I sat down and I bought a fries, a serving of fries as well. I love the seasoned fries. I sat down and I ate my heart's content, and then I brought home the rest and I eat again and put more in put in the fridge. I eat the next day, and I was like, if my aunt knew that she was going to die, she probably would have, you know, eaten a big super satisfaction. But I'm not really, I don't eat out. I like to cook, but right now I'm putting my list together of all the people that I'm gonna call. You like my hair? You like my hair? It's looking a little disheveled because of course I was lying down on the massage table, but I love it. It's really cute. I'm gonna try to bump it back. That's how I got the curls. If you see my shorts with my makeup, yes, I just bantu knot it and then pull them out, and that's how I got the curls. Look at my jewelry by Latoya. Nice watch. And also I love this. If somebody can tell me what the R stands for, don't mind my fingers, donut on it. Tell me what the R stands for in the comment section. See you in the next video. My hot. I'm gonna turn on the AC because I don't want the noise. But my hair look good. Yeah. I mean, my skin looks nice. I don't know what was this, but I'm sure the spot will go away. That's fine. I love these. See you. Bye.